Out of the 22 victims rescued by the Lagos State Ambulance Service, 9 were taken to the Lagos State University Teaching Hospital, Lasuth, 12 were taken to Bagada General Hospital, and 1 to Alimosho General Hospital, including a 2-year-old baby. 10 out of these victims are dead, while the rest are lying in critical condition at various health facilities, with more than 10 million naira spent on them so far.
They had very severe degrees of burns. But the assurance is that we have a responsibility to give care to them free of charge. And the Ministry of Health has been supporting us immensely.
This money, according to some medical experts, may just be a tip of the iceberg of what the government will spend. A situation that would have been averted if the necessary measures were put in place for prevention.
If those people suffered very severe burns, I think the government has just started spending. Because burns, severe burns are very expensive to manage. They stay very long in the hospitals and they undergo series of dressings and surgeries. So 10 million may just be the beginning of government spending on this kind of situation. Government should focus more on prevention than each time trying to treat the survivors.
So we can't just continue to lose people who are supposed to be, people as human beings are supposed to be a nation's best resources. But once there is an incident today, it takes life. And this is not the first, it's not the second, it's not the third time. And God forbid, if care is not taken again, very soon we'll hear of the same issue. And government will still tell you they spent X amount of money. The people need to learn. They need to learn to take caution.
The pipeline vandals were suspected to have intentionally started a fire to prevent the interference of security operatives in the early hours of 4th July 2019 after scooping several liters of petroleum products. The fire left many dead and about 30 vehicles burnt. Oshuomowa Daniels,